how to cancel Fubo TV on an iPhone or Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription to Fubo TV so that you're no longer charged on your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So within the Fubo app, there is no way to cancel our subscription. So what we need to do is open up a browser and navigate to FUBO.tv. Make sure you're careful and go to FUBO.tv, not Fubo.com, because it is not the Fubo app. Check the description, I'll have a link down there. Once you get here, sign into your account. Then you can select your profile. But on this screen right here, where it's telling us to get the Fubo app, go ahead and select My Account in the top menu. Then under this little drop down right here, just go to Subscription, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and at the bottom, you'll see Cancel. Keep in mind your recordings, things like that will be deleted, but go ahead and select Cancel. They're going to give you some discounts to try to keep you. Go ahead and select Cancel Subscription. They'll try to give you more stuff. Go ahead and select Skip. They'll tell you when your paid subscription ends. So when you lose access to Fubo, go ahead and select OK. And then now if we go back to My Account, just to make sure, go to Subscription. You can see your subscription is scheduled to end. So that means we have successfully canceled our Fubo subscription. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.